address the gathering.
इस पावन और आनंदमयी अवसर पर अब हम माननीय मुख्यमंत्री आंध्र प्रदेश श्री एन चंद्रबाबू नायडू जी से विनम्र अनुरोध करते हैं कि वह सभा को संबोधित करें।
पूजनीय गुरुदेव श्री श्री रविशंकर जी, ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ गोवा डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत जी, ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर ऑफ फिशरीज, एनिमल हस्बेंड्री एंड डेयरी डेवलपमेंट, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ कर्नाटका, मनकाला वैद्य जी, Honorable Agriculture Minister of Bihar, respected Sri Vijay Kumar Sinha ji, Honorable Cabinet Minister Women and Child Welfare Department, Srimati Nirmala Borani ji, distinguished guests, not only here, all over the world, they are listening this conference. Members of the Art of Living family here and across the globe, good evening, namaskar. It is a great honor and privilege for me to join all of you in celebrating 70th birthday of Guruji Sri Sri Ravishankar ji and 45th anniversary of Art of Living. Today is not merely the celebration of an individual or an institution. It is a celebration of service, compassion and timeless values that unite humanity. Today I am not here as a chief minister. I am here as a grateful Indian and also a disciple of Guruji. Gurudev Sri Sri Ravishankar ji is not only a spiritual leader, he is a global humanitarian, a messenger of harmony and a bridge between the wisdom of ancient Bharat and the aspiration of the modern world. He is one person who is able to converge with everybody, especially youth. I am thankful for him. He is doing great service for the nation building. For decades, Gurudev has carried one message across continents: a stress-free mind and a violence-free society are achievable realities. In a world divided by conflict, anxiety, uncertainty, Gurudev chose the path of healing humanity. For global institutions to remote villages, from conflict zone in Colombia to communities facing suffering and violence, Gurudev has shown the transformative power of compassion, dialogue and inner strength. Very few spiritual leaders in modern history have earned the trust of both ordinary people and global institutions the way Gurudev has. For 45 years back, the Art of Living movement began with a simple vision: a happy human being, a stress-free society, and better world. Today, that vision has become a global movement touching millions of lives. Programs across 182 countries, more than 10,000 centers worldwide, over 38,000 trained teachers carrying this message of well-being and service across the globe. That is the true achievement of art of living. I deeply appreciate the organization work in safe drinking water, river regeneration, women empowerment, skill development, prison rehabilitation, and value-based education. Despite touching millions of lives across the world, Gurudev continues to remain deeply accessible, guiding people with the warmth, simplicity, and the affection of a teacher. On this occasion, I pray Gurudev's long life, good health, and continued service for humanity. May he continue to inspire generations with wisdom, compassion, and positivity. Today, the world is advancing rapidly. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries. Technology is order of the day, and also global competition is becoming more intense. At the same time, the world is also witnessing growing geopolitical uncertainty, conflicts, wars across regions. These developments are affecting even the daily lives of ordinary people, impacting crop markets, supply chains, energy availability, and fuel prices across the world. But beyond economic uncertainty, stress-based lines, stress, loneliness, and anxiety are also increasing across society. The world has more information than ever before, but less peace. More connectivity, but less human connections. Technology can improve human life, but only spirituality can improve human being. That is where Guruji is providing. That is why spirituality is no longer a luxury. It has become a necessity, especially as an yesterday youth, today for every citizen of the global community. They need emotional strength, clarity, and purpose, and this is exactly what Gurudev and the art of living are giving to the world. You are all aware, India may soon become the economic power. We are also facing geopolitical politics. Somewhere war, even in India, is disturbing. But we are having a strong leader, that is our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. Under his leadership, I am confident we will overcome this crisis, but all of us have to think, this is my nation, this is my responsibility. Everybody has to sync with the ideology of Honorable Prime Minister's call. Then I am very confident Guruji has to bless us. It will be a temporary phenomena. I am totally confident after this crisis, India will become more and more strong globally. Gurudev Sri, if you see here, for thousands of years, this land has guided humanity. When the world searched for peace, it looked towards India. When the world searched for meaning, it looked towards India. Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar ji has carried the timeless Indian wisdom across continents and made it relevant for modern life. That is a historic contribution. I am very happy our Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji calls Vikas Vikas B, Virasat B. That is happening in India. That is the true spirit our Guruji also is promoting. Development along with heritage, modernity rooted in culture, progress guided by values. The